Tervetuloa Upi-uutisiin 31. maaliskuuta 2025. Ei ollut Artusta nussijaksi, huukkeri missattiin. Uutta huoraa ei tilata ennen kuin tolkun pojan kullin toiminta on testattu.
You can get hard, I will order you a hooker.
Hey bro, that sounds gay as fuck.
It sounds gay as fuck, but I don't want to waste more money if it's just gonna end it in like 2 minutes.
Livet siirtyivät Instagramiin, jotta Taiga voisi toteuttaa kak-fetissiään.
You like boys?
No, I like girls.
Maybe that's why you like guys. Who knows?
Livet olivat hetken pois, kun huora huomasi kameran.
Why you put it? Then you stay here. Keep your this. You are filming. Piece of shit. This is what you are doing.
No.
Yeah. Stay outside.